I was so late to the karaoke yesterday. Karaoke started by 10 p.m. but I got there I think around 12:01 a.m. In the morning. That's midnight, yes, in the morning. It was super fun. I could not do the karaoke, but I had so much fun. So I woke up not too long ago and I am so tired. I don't know what I'm having for dinner, but let's let's see what we can do. I just go back indoors, the light is off. The part with the light already. And I'm about to eat dinner, and here's what I'm having for dinner. I cannot carry it for so long. This is literally the most boringest day ever. I have nothing to do. I have no plans. All I had to do today was stay in bed all day, and I got a delivery from this skincare from this lady's brand. Yeah, I got a delivery from her. She wants to help me for my hyperpigmentation, so I was given a tretinoin. Tretinoin, I don't know how to pronounce it. Tretinoin gel and azelaic acid. Yeah, and she said she was going to send other products, but till next year because they're not available at the moment. So this is all I am using for now, and she would tell me how to use them later. So that's basically all for now. So basically it's raining and I'm outside today. Out of my to-do list, I was able to do few things, which includes seminar class, includes solo dates and laundry because I do not so I might not be able to go to church tomorrow, so I don't know. So that's just it. So thank you so much for guys for watching. Ciao ciao. See you in my next episode.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old fashioned, wear a hat.